So guys, think about how many songs you've listened to in the past years and made literally zero amount of money. Sounds unfair, right? But don't worry, because Fali has called you, so don't worry at all. All you need is to plug in your earpiece and play the music and earn yourself some money. Who doesn't like money? I like money. No, I love money. You like money too, right? So let's get it. Let's get to it, yeah? Shoutouts to Malcolm Nuna. If you're not listening to this guy, you're tripping. Better listen to him. He's so good. Alright, so let's get to it. Right. Go to your app store. I'm using an Android, so definitely that's a Play Store for me. Oh, this thing is taking too long. Alright, so it's loading. Wow. Okay, so just type in the search engine traffic DJ and then hit on it. My internet is messing up. Alright, so it's here, traffic DJ. So guys, install the app. Install the app. I don't know what's wrong with my internet right now, but it's a bit slow. Downloading now. It's installing, guys. I don't know why this thing is taking too long. My internet is messing with me. So the app has been installed. Let me just open it. I'm about teaching you all how to make money by listening to music. How cool is that? Very cool, right? Okay. You don't really have to do any extra thing to get paid. All you need to do is to play the music and then earn, right? So that's it. So if you're new to this app, you might want to sign up, okay? Don't go and sign up. Please pay attention to what I'm about doing, people. Because, I've had people do this the wrong way. And there are just levels to registering, and so you'd need to pay attention, okay? I need your attention on this. So my name is Fali. And hey, don't be in a rush to exit this video, or because the app has been disclosed to you. My last name is Billions. You have to type in your mobile money number, or you can just type in an active number. Because when you are done signing up, a code will be sent to that number for verification or something like that. So I'm done with typing the number. Now you're on the referral code. Guys, the referral code is really important. If you are signing up and you don't input the right referral code, you won't be able to earn. So guys, make sure you enter the referral code to sign up, guys. So yeah, this is basically it. So I already have an account, so I wouldn't like to sign up because I don't want to be blocked. Alright, so I'm going to sign in and then show you how this whole thing works. It's quite easy. I hope you guys noticed something while I was signing in. the number I signed up with, right, when I was trying to use that number to sign in, a code was sent to that number for me to be able to fully sign in. Because if you use a number that is not active and then the code is being sent to that number, you won't be able to sign in because you need to enter that code. So guys, be very careful with the kind of number you try to use in signing up. Alright, so I'm in. We are in. So this is what the app looks like. This app is basically good for upcoming artists or underground artists who are looking forward to promoting their music in Ghana. Right. So it says that will discover great Ghanaian music and potentially earn rewards after each play. Claim your reward when your balance is 25 Ghana cedis or more. For those of you who are familiar with this app since May 2021, can attest that when this app started, you could withdraw as low as 1 Ghana cedis, but now it's limited to just 25 cedis and more, right? But I mean, you shouldn't really worry because this thing is not anything that is difficult. You can make 25 cedis in 3 days, in 4 days, or in a day, depending on you and how you do your work or how you plan on earning with this app. So should in case you listen to the music and then you reach the 25 cedis limit and you'd like to withdraw, just move to your left hand top. You'd see this 3 lines. Just tap on it, then it will bring you to this page. On this page it says that the first thing here says our claim reward. So if you want to withdraw, you just tap on claim reward, right? And there's this other one that says for artists. This side is basically for artists who want to promote their songs, and so they're going to upload their songs through this option. The third one says that will refer and win. So guys, you can actually refer your friends and then earn extra money. Okay, so all you need to do is when you refer your friends, let them use your referral code, because if they don't use any referral code, they wouldn't be paid at all. That's one thing I like about this app. If you don't input a referral code, you wouldn't be paid. Yeah, so let them use your referral code. But then if you also want them to use my referral code, which is LH3, I don't mind. I would love that. So the third thing is about. The about is basically an information concerning this app and what they do. It's basically a promotion platform for music, Ghanaian music. So yeah. So if you're looking to withdraw, tap on claim reward and then a pop-up would appear on your screen. So the pop-up will say please enter mobile money number. Alright, so wherever you want to receive the money, okay, input that number that you want to receive the money on. Right, make sure the number is typed correctly. Make sure you check it 2 or 3 times to be sure it's correct. Right, so when you are done with that, you tap on next. So when you tap on next, the next thing you see is this select provider. Please select wallet provider for your number. Okay, so the number in which you want to receive the money on, okay, is it a Vodafone number, is it an MTN number, a Tigo number? If it's an MTN number, just tap on MTN. Okay, so when done selecting the service provider. Another pop-up would appear saying confirm request, reward claim request to so and so number. All rewards in your account will be sent to this number, and so the number that you are trying to receive the money on, that's the number that will appear. Just make sure the number is correct, and so when done checking if the number is correct, just tap on proceed, and then that's that. For me, I don't really want to proceed with this withdrawal because I don't like to withdraw my monies when they're small. 27 cedis is small for me. I like to withdraw when it's above 200 cedis. So yeah, I'm just going to wait till I play and then I make above 200 cedis. So yeah, I'm just going to go back. Alright, to start earning from this app, don't go playing just any music. Try and scroll down to the section that says campaigns available and play from this section. For those using iPhone, if you have a laptop, simply go to your Google web browser and type in the search engine BlueStacks. Choose the first option and have the software downloaded. Upon launching the software, this is what it will look like. Just open Play Store and then have Traffic DJ installed on it. From there, you can go back to watching my video. Do what you gotta do. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more money making videos. If you have any concerns, put it in the comment section below. And hey, share this video with your friends and family. Don't be selfish, yeah? With that being said, see you at the top.